Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we are going to see how to use the subscript on your Google Slides. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the subscript in Google Slide, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, like a A2, B2, C2 like that. So I just going to type as A, B and C here. So A, B and C. Now I just need to type here as A2 and B2 and C3. Okay. Now you just want to select the thing that you want to make it a subscript. Just go to the format option here and click on the text. You will see option called for subscript, and the keyboard shortcut was Control plus comma. So use this, you just select thing and go to the format, go to the text, use the subscript, and the same thing you just want to process here. So one of the thing that you, after typing here, if you type continuously, it will go into the subscript. If you want to change to normal position, you just need to go to the format and go to the text and just press the subscript, so it automatically turned off and it's going to be normal. And now just type whatever that you want. This is how you just make the subscript and type whatever that you want, like A2, B2, C2 in your Google slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.